Imagine standing in front of the huge cleaning products shelf in the supermarket. Everywhere you look, colorful bottles, glaring warning labels, and sky-high prices. Every single product promises you the moon. And now think back for a moment to Grandma's kitchen. There was none of this chemical clutter at all. In her cupboard, there was often just one inconspicuous white bag, baking soda. That was her white gold for almost every problem. Today, we've unfortunately almost forgotten what this simple powder can do. We prefer to spray aggressive fumes into our lungs, wonder about headaches, and watch our wallets get emptier. It really doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm showing you 27 forgotten ways to completely turn your entire home upside down with this simple home remedy. It won't just get cleaner, it'll be healthier for your family too. So leave those expensive bottles where they are. We start right in the bedroom because something is lurking there that we all like to ignore. The mattress cure. Hand on heart. When was the last time you really deep cleaned your mattress? We faithfully change the bedding every week, sure. But the thick padding underneath? Over the years, sweat, skin flakes, and unfortunately, millions of mites collect there. It's not pretty, but completely normal. Grandma had a genius solution for that, completely without water. Take a cup of baking soda, optionally mixed with a few drops of lavender oil for scent, and generously sprinkle it over the bare mattress. The powder pulls out moisture and musty odors like a sponge. Let it work for an hour, drink your coffee in peace. Then take the vacuum cleaner and thoroughly vacuum everything up. You'll immediately notice how fresh the bedroom suddenly smells. It's that wonderful feeling of deep, real cleanliness that no artificial room spray in the world can achieve. Remove label glue residue. Now let's quickly go to the kitchen. You surely know this. You want to reuse a nice jam jar, but that cursed label sticks like concrete to the glass. You scratch with your fingernail until it almost breaks, and in the end, you have only sticky gray remnants. Forget the expensive solvents from the hardware store that stink horribly. Just mix some normal cooking oil with baking soda into a thick paste. The oil softens the glue, and the baking soda acts like a gentle scouring agent. Rub the paste onto the glue residue. Wait briefly and wipe it off. The jar is sparkling clean, without scratches, and above all, without chemical smell. You've never gotten your storage jars so clean so easily and quickly. Try it next time instead of getting annoyed. Rescue burnt pots. Sometimes you're distracted for just a second and it happens. The milk boils over, or the tasty stew is black and burnt on the bottom. Back then, people would have scrubbed for hours with steel wool until their arm hurt and the pot bottom was scratched. Please don't do that. Simply cover the burnt bottom with water, add 2 large tablespoons of baking soda, and bring it briefly to a boil. Then turn off the stove and let the pot sit, preferably overnight if it looks really bad. The baking soda chemically dissolves the crusted proteins and fats. Next morning, you can usually just wipe the residue off with a soft cloth. Your favorite pot is saved, and so are your nerves in the evening. It's the simplest way to undo kitchen mishaps. The gray veil killer. Do you know that sad gray veil on white curtains or your favorite shirts? It just happens over time because limescale and dirt settle in the fibers. Advertising wants to sell you aggressive, super white products that are so harsh they attack the fibers. Grandma simply added half a cup of baking soda directly to the detergent in the machine. It softens the water immediately and enormously boosts cleaning power. The fibers get deeply cleaned and the white shines again, completely without chlorine. Especially with curtains, this works true wonders. They look afterward as if you just bought them and smell wonderfully neutral and fresh. This way you save expensive specialty products and at the same time protect your laundry from premature wear. Neutralize fridge odors. Open your fridge and take a deep breath. Does it really smell fresh in there? Or is there that strange mix of cheese, sausage, and cut onion? Even in clean fridges, this happens quickly. Scents mix and settle in the plastic. Just place a small open bowl of baking soda in a back corner. The powder is a fantastic odor eater. It doesn't cover the mustiness with perfume. It neutralizes the acids causing the stink. After a month, replace the powder, and you can still use the old one for cleaning. This way your fridge stays permanently odor neutral and the cheese doesn't suddenly taste like the onion next door. Discolored plastic containers. Let's stay briefly in the kitchen. Plastic containers are practical, but woe if you once had spaghetti bolognese in them. That orange film often never comes off no matter how often you wash. The fat from the tomato sauce has sunk deep into the plastic. Hot water and baking soda help here. Fill the container, add 2 spoons of baking soda, and let it sit. The hot alkaline water opens the plastic pores and literally pulls the discolored fat out. Next day, rinse it out and you'll be amazed. The container looks appetizing again. These are the little things that make the difference between clean and really clean. Silver cutlery without polishing. Maybe you still have that good silver cutlery from back then that only comes out at Christmas. Usually it's tarnished black by then. Polishing silver is tedious work where you get black fingers. But Grandma knew physics. Take a bowl, line the bottom with aluminum foil shiny side up. Sprinkle salt and baking soda on it and put your cutlery in. Now pour boiling water over everything. It will hiss and bubble. That's good. The sulfur migrates over to the aluminum foil. After 2 minutes, take the cutlery out, rinse it off, and it shines like a mirror, completely without rubbing. From this shine, we now go to the invisible odor sources in the house. The drain volcano. When water drains slowly in the sink or the drain smells, many immediately reach for the chemical club. It's so corrosive it can even attack the pipes. Make the volcano instead. Pour half a cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Follow with half a cup of vinegar. Cover quickly with a wet cloth. You hear it bubbling and fizzing down below. Baking soda and vinegar react violently and mechanically blast fat and deposits away. After 10 minutes, pour a liter of boiling water after it. The drain is free, the smell is gone, and you haven't flushed any toxins into the wastewater. Oven door like new. Finally, in this first part, let's tackle the final boss, the oven door. Through the glass, you often can't see anything anymore because brown fat is burnt on. Scouring cream just scratches the glass. Mix a thick paste from water and lots of baking soda. Spread it on the glass. Musty shoes. We all know it. Favorite sneakers or rubber boots develop a life of their own and stink up the hallway. Shoe deodorizer usually just covers it briefly. Grandma knew the moisture has to come out. Take 2 old socks, fill them with baking soda, and stuff them deep into the shoes overnight. The baking soda literally sucks the sweat out of the material and neutralizes the odor instead of just covering it. Next morning, knock the shoes out. You'll be amazed. The shoe smells absolutely neutral and fresh. Much more pleasant for your feet than those artificial sprays. Tea and coffee rims. Do you like drinking black tea or coffee? Then you know those stubborn brown rims in the cups that even the dishwasher can't remove. You scrub, but the shadows stay. The solution is simple. Take a damp cloth, dip it in some baking soda, and wipe through the cup. The baking soda acts like fine sandpaper without scratching the porcelain. The brown deposits disappear immediately. Your cups shine pure white again. Try it on your oldest office cup. The result is satisfying and takes seconds. Hairbrushes and combs, an item we use daily but forget when cleaning is the hairbrush. Look at it sometime. Skin flakes, sebum, and hairspray residue collect there. That's the perfect breeding ground for germs. Do it like Grandma. Fill the sink with warm water and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Put brushes and combs in for half an hour. The baking soda dissolves the grease and dirt from the tiniest crevices. Then rinse them clear. You'll immediately notice how combing feels fresher and more hygienic. Carpet stains. Now a real emergency helper. A glass of red wine spills and lands on the light carpet. Don't rub, you just work the color deeper into the fiber, run to the kitchen and get the baking soda bag. Immediately pour a mountain of powder on the fresh stain. The baking soda soaks up the liquid like blotting paper from the carpet before it can dry. You see how the white powder turns red. Let it dry completely and vacuum it up. Often the stain is gone as if by magic afterward. It really doesn't get simpler. Bin freshness. Even in the cleanest kitchen, there's one place that often smells: the bin. Even when you change the bag, a musty undertone remains. That's because of bacteria on the bottom. Before you put in the new trash bag, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda directly on the bin floor. The powder lies there like a guard. If something ever drips from the bag, the famous trash soup, the baking soda soaks up the liquid and stops odor formation. Your bin stays dry and smells neutral. A small move with huge impact. Wash fruit and vegetables. Have you ever touched an apple that felt waxy? Or do you worry about pesticides? Simple rinsing often isn't enough because many agents are water resistant. Use Grandma's vegetable bath. Fill a bowl with water and dissolve a spoonful of baking soda in it. Put your fruit in for a quarter hour. The baking soda breaks the chemical structure of many pesticides and washes them off. The water will often be cloudy afterward, a good sign the dirt is gone. Rinse everything briefly and enjoy the difference. The fruit feels squeaky clean, especially important when children eat fruit with the peel. Deep clean wooden cutting boards. Wooden cutting boards have a memory. If you cut onions yesterday, the apple smells of them today. Dish soap doesn't get deep enough. Sprinkle coarse baking soda on the wet board. Then take half a lemon and use it like a sponge to rub the baking soda into the wood. It foams lightly. This combination disinfects the wood deeply and kills every onion smell. Rinse hot. Your board looks like new, is brightened, and smells wonderfully fresh of lemon. Try it. The difference is immediately visible. Make scratchy towels soft again. Do you know scratchy towels? Freshly washed but hard as a board. That's because of limescale residues in the fibers. Fabric softener just lays a film around the fiber so the towel hardly absorbs water anymore. Grandma solved it differently. Add half a cup of baking soda to the washing machine with the detergent. The baking soda softens the water and dissolves the old residues from the fibers. The terry loops stand up again and the towel becomes fluffy and absorbent at the same time. Completely natural without chemical film on the skin. Finally, soft laundry again. Dishwasher deodorizer and cleaner. The dishwasher is supposed to clean, but sometimes it smells bad itself, especially when you let it sit for a few days. It gets musty from inside. Instead of buying expensive dishwasher deodorizers, sprinkle a handful of baking soda on the machine floor. It immediately binds odors from food residues. When you start the machine, the baking soda works as a cleaning booster in the first cycle. It helps dissolve fats in the filter and ensures your dishes shine more. You kill 2 birds with 1 stone. DIY toilet tabs. We make our own toilet tabs. The colorful stones from the store are often pure chemicals. You can easily make power packs yourself. Take a cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of citric acid, and carefully moisten the whole thing with a little water until it's like wet sand. Press the mass into an ice cube tray and let it dry. When you want to clean, throw in a cube. It fizzes wonderfully. The foam climbs high and dissolves urine scale completely by itself. Brush once, done. It's fun and costs almost nothing. A great alternative that also protects the environment. Gently clean gold jewelry. Got gold jewelry that's lost its shine? Many reach for toothpaste, but the abrasive particles can leave scratches. Grandma was gentler. Take a bowl with warm water, add a teaspoon of baking soda and some dish soap. Put rings and chains in. The baking soda gently dissolves grease and cream residue. After 10 minutes, brush with a soft toothbrush. Rinse off and dry. Your gold sparkles like new again completely without risk to the material. Brighten bathroom grout. Look at your bathroom grout. Is it gray or yellowish? That makes the whole bathroom look grubby. Mix a paste from baking soda and water. Take an old toothbrush and scrub the paste into the grout. Let it work for a quarter hour. The baking soda bleaches discolorations away and kills mold spores. After rinsing, you'll be amazed. The grout is radiantly bright. The bathroom looks visually freshly renovated right away. A huge effect for almost no money. Redirect ant trails. In summer, ants annoy in the kitchen. You don't want poison there. Grandma knew a hack. Mix baking soda and powdered sugar in equal parts. Sprinkle the mixture on the ant trail. The sugar attracts them, but they can't tolerate the baking soda. They carry it into the nest, and the problem solves itself. That's an effective barrier without having to spray poison. Your pet is safe, and your supplies stay protected. Surface rust on knives. After the dishwasher, your good cutlery sometimes has small rust spots. That's surface rust from other pots. Don't get annoyed. Take an old wine cork, moisten it, and dip it in baking soda. Polish over the blade with it. The cork is elastic, and the baking soda grinds the rust away precisely without attacking the metal. Rinse the knife, and the spot is history. This way you save cutlery you almost wanted to sort out. It shines immaculate again. Keep flower water fresh. A bouquet often lasts only a few days, then the water smells foul. Bacteria clog the stems, so your roses last longer. Add a pinch of baking soda to the vase water. Really just a knife tip. The baking soda keeps the water clean and inhibits decay bacteria. Cut the stems and put them in baking soda water. You'll see your flowers stay fresh noticeably longer. You get much more joy from their beauty. A small hack for more daily happiness that almost nobody knows. Itch relief from insect bites. When a mosquito bites you, itch for days. Scratching makes it worse. Run to the kitchen. Mix baking soda with a little water into a paste. Spread it on the bite. The baking soda neutralizes the venom and regulates the skin's pH. The itch stops immediately and the swelling goes down. Works great for bee stings too. A soothing first aid you always have in the cupboard, and that calms the skin right away. Your savior in need. Clean thermoses. Thermos flasks often smell musty inside from old coffee. You can hardly reach in with a brush. Put 2 spoons of baking soda in and fill with hot water. Caution. Don't screw the lid on tight and shake or pressure builds. Let it stand open for an hour, then rinse out. The inside shines metallic blank as if the flask is new. The old smell is completely gone. The next tea tastes fresh and unadulterated again, completely without chemical cleaner. Try it on your flask. The universal scouring paste. Finally, Grandma's secret weapon for tough cases, the universal scouring paste. When dirt resists everything, on grill grates or garden furniture, take a cup of baking soda, some soft soap, and a splash of water. Stir into a tough paste. That's better than any scouring cream. Apply it, let it work, and scrub the dirt away. This paste shows you the true power of the white powder. You don't need aggressive agents to conquer even the most stubborn dirt. The result speaks for itself and convinces. Now you've seen what's possible. We solved 27 problems, and all we needed was a bag of baking soda. Imagine how much space you'll have in your cleaning cupboard when all those colorful specialty cleaners disappear. Your home isn't just clean, it's healthily clean. No more stinging fumes, just neutral freshness. I want you to try exactly one of these hacks today. Maybe the mattress or the drain? Write in the comments how it went. If these tips helped you, subscribe to the channel for more old knowledge. Stay clean and thrifty.